Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to keep your sprite from going off the screen. So basically what we want to do is we want to only let them move if they're within the bounds of the screen. So how can we check that? Well, we're going to have a condition that's going to we're going to tack it onto the end of the key press uh, condition, and we're going to say and okay, so how do we check to see if the sprite has not gone off the left edge of the screen? Well, we check to see if his x coordinate is greater than 0, and I'll do like -10 because there's some blank space uh, within the sprite image. So if I do -10, it's going to be a little more accurate. And then I'm going to have to say monster_rec.y, same thing for y would have to be greater than -10. That makes sure that he hasn't gone off the top of the screen. And then the bottom of the screen would be monster_rec.y less than or equal to the height of the screen minus the height of the rectangle. Okay, and then I'll do another -10 on the end. And then I'm also going to do an and for, let's see, monster_rec.x less than or equal, monster_rec.x less than or equal to, and it would be screen height, no, screen width minus, let's see, monster_rec.width minus 10. Okay, so that should do it. Let me copy and paste that in to all of the other conditions. So I'm going to have to be very careful about this. So I'm going to copy that, and it's going to go right in there for all the other directions, right in between the last and the second last set of parentheses in all the other key presses. Okay, and let's see, do I have one, two? Yep, I need another one. Maybe one too many. Yeah. I guess I only need 2 of them. Okay, so let's see. I think this is going to go there. And it's going to go there. And I think I may have to go back and check this because I think I might have some problems with where my parentheses are. So, and then it's going to go there. Okay, so let's look at the parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to say if for the first one. So it's down and to the right are pressed, okay, or down and to the left are pressed, and. Okay. Okay, so that should do it. So I think this should work, hopefully. Let's try it. Did not work. Okay, so I think I know what the problem is, and I actually do need another set of parentheses because and takes precedence over or. My order of operations for the ands and ors were a little bit screwed up. So what I need to do is put another set of parentheses around here. So it's either they've pressed down or on the keyboard or the gamepad, and all of those conditions are true. So let's see if it works. Yes, it did. Okay, so I'm going to have to go in and add those other parentheses as well. So let's see. That goes right there. And I need another one right. Let's see. There. And it looks like I'm missing. Okay. There. There. And there. I'm almost done. Okay, let's try it now. Good. Okay. So now what's the problem? The problem is once he goes off the screen, he's stuck in that position off the screen. So we can solve this by simply um, hmm, uh, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make the else ifs even bigger. So we're going to say then check to see if he did go off the screen, we're going to have him bounce back onto the screen. So it would be monster rec.x less than equal to -10. Then we're going to have him bounce back. So that would be monster rec.x plus equals 5. Well, 10. Okay, so basically the first time that it detects that he went off the left edge of the screen, he bounces back so that he'll be capable of being moved again. So then we're going to do else if monster rec.x greater than, and then it was greater than or equal to screen width greater than equal to screen width minus monster rec dot width minus 10. So that means he went off the right edge of the screen. And in that case, we bounce him back into the screen from the left. All right. And then I need to do the east-west, the northeast-northwest ones. So I'm going to have two more else ifs. Okay, and then it's going to be y less than or equal to -10, then y plus equals 10, and it's going to be y greater than screen height minus monsterrec.height minus 10, and then it would be screen monsterrec.y minus equals 10. So this should keep them from getting frozen on the outside edge of the screen. Yes, it does. Okay. Oh, and one thing I need to do, I was wondering about this. This should be, the minus 10 should be a, let's see. So I think, yeah. Okay, so I think he's going, when he's going down, we want to make this a plus 10, not a minus 10. And then we also want to make the right edge be a plus 10 in the conditions. So this needs to be plus, let's see, plus, plus, and then plus, plus 10, and plus, 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 and then plus, plus, and then I'm almost done here, bear with me. Plus, so that needs to be a plus, and then these need to be pluses as well. Okay, that should do it. This should be a little more accurate now. So when he goes up, yeah, and then when he goes down, okay, good. All right, that's it.